Okay, here's your challenge for the day. I am a potential client that wants to buy a home in Venice, Florida. I've decided Venice is a city, no negotiating on that. But here's the deal. My budget is $500,000.
Okay.
I want preferably something around 2 bedrooms. I'm willing to go up to 3, possibly like 1 in like a little den, like nook space, but I prefer 2.
Okay.
Prefer to be by the water. I'm willing to, maybe if it's the right place, I'm willing to maybe go up to $550,000 for that. And I prefer to be on the island, but that's not like a deal breaker. You know, I'm willing to be off the island and maybe further away from the water for the right price.
Okay.
What are my options? What say you?
Looking for a single family home?
Here's the other thing. I'm a retiree. Because, you know, you could tell I look like a retiree. So I want something low maintenance.
Okay.
That's the other big thing. Low maintenance is a key for me.
But do you want a condo or do you want a single family home? Because you didn't say that.
I am very open on that.
Okay.
So that's part of the options. You talk to me. What do you think would be good for me? I want something that's low maintenance, though. I don't want to have to deal too much with my house.
Okay. Low maintenance, I would say a condo or a villa. We can find a home too that the lawn care is included within your HOA fees, but a lot of times that does not include weeding. And if you want to, you know, be very low maintenance, then I would say a condo or a villa. Although in a villa you might have a little bit of weeding as well, but you can always, you know, if you have the money, you're a retiree, you can pay someone to come do that for you.
I don't want to deal with that. So that's out.
Okay, so let's do a condo then. A condo
Okay.
on the island, it's very doable, especially because you're open to a 1-bedroom plus a den or a 2-bedroom. I might not be able to get you water like on the Gulf, but you can be pretty close within walking distance to the beach. I can get you a condo in the downtown area or pretty close to the beach within walking distance, but probably not waterfront. We might get lucky and find something waterfront, especially right now because the market is changing. So we might be able to even do that. You would have to keep your mind open, and it seems like you in this specific instance are.
Okay, one other thing. I do not want to have to do any fixing of this place. I want it to be like ready to go.
Okay, that might be a little bit tough, just mainly because a lot of our condos here in the Venice area are a little bit older, so they might be a little bit outdated as well. But there are some that are pretty nice and have been, you know, recently updated, but they might not be, you know, like very, very recently updated.
Okay, so if I want something that's, again, low maintenance, I'm open to a condo, maybe a villa, but again, I'd rather not have to deal with the weeds and stuff. But I don't want to have to do any updating. That's a pretty big thing for me. I want it, you know, it doesn't have to be super modern, but something from, you know, at least the 2005 and newer. Where can I get that? You know, if let's say I'm going up to 550 near the water, is that doable? Or if I'm saying let's stay below 500, maybe not by the water, are there options for that?
Yes, I can get you in a condo at around $500,000 in a condo that is going to be nicely updated, but again, it would have to be a 1 to 2 bedroom. Probably something bigger than that, you would have to increase your budget. Yeah, off the island, it's also doable. The only thing is that we don't have as many condos off the island. Most of our condos are in the Venice Island. There are some options, and you might be able to find something nicely updated for under $500,000.
So you're putting me on the island. We're talking $500,000 or under. That's great. Low maintenance. Don't need any updating. What does that put me in like walking distance of or golf cart distance of?
On the island, basically Venice Island, it's like our downtown. So you have the downtown area, which we have a lot of different shops and restaurants. You're also within walking distance or cart driving distance to many parks like the one we're in right now. Venice downtown has a lot of different little parks like this one. There is a Publix on the island. I probably wouldn't recommend if you're going grocery shopping to walk, but maybe your golf cart. There's a Publix and a lot of different thrift stores, and also there is like a little market stand, farmers market type deal that's on the island as well, where you can find fresh fruit and vegetables and things like that, but they're not always open. But yeah, you can just drive there, and it's very close to where I would find you your condo. There's also a lot of different events going on all the time, especially during winter, which is when most of our snowbirds and retirees are in Venice. And there's always something going on pretty much every weekend. And this is down in the downtown on Centennial Park usually, or on Venice Avenue. And the farmers market takes place on Venice Avenue every Saturday from 9 to 1.
Okay, so if I want to go ahead and buy a condo, what's the next thing I need to do?
If you're looking to buy a condo, call, text, or email me. I am a local realtor here. My information will be in the description box below.
What's that phone number?
941-221-1897.
You can call or text at any time. We hear from people all the time and we love it.
And we'll always have your best interest in mind when buying or selling a home in the area.
If you found the video entertaining or helpful or have any other questions, want us to run through another scenario, leave a comment down below, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on all notifications, and live breezy.